Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the PHP. Today we are going to learn about how to send the contact form data via WhatsApp using the PHP and the Twilio. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have the PHP code which we have already discussed in the last video. So let's copy paste this one. Okay, so here we have the details. So in the last we have already make this part. So here we have the details. Let's update the details. So here we have this one, SID and the token. So let's add this SID and the token. Okay, next we have the Twilio number. So let's add the Twilio number and WhatsApp number. Okay, let's paste this. Okay, so this is vendor. We have used the package that is Twilio. So if you don't know how to install that one, in the last video we have talked about. So the package is this one, Composer require Twilio SDK. So you must install this Composer package, right? After this we have this code, okay, which require SID, token, Twilio number, recipient number, which you have already discussed in the last video. Okay, and here we have the contact form. If you don't know how to get this, I will let you know. Just go to our console. Okay, so here we have the messaging. Try it out, send an SMS. Okay, my first Twilio account, let's go there. So here you can see that we have the account SID, auth token and the my Twilio number, but here this is not the WhatsApp Twilio number. So that one you have to go with the try it out with the send WhatsApp message. So here you will get it. Send WhatsApp message. Sandbox. Next step. So here you can see this is the number that we have to paste it. Okay, done. Then we have the contact form data, that is name, email and the message. Okay, and here we have the WhatsApp message, new contact information submission, slash and name, email and the message. Initialize the Twilio client, and client message dot create recipient number you have to send from body. Okay, and echo that the message sent successfully. Okay, now we have to create the form that is required over here. So this is the form, contact form.html. Let's add this contact form. This is basically a form which consists of the name, email and the message. So this is very easy. So let's copy and paste this and add this code. Okay, so name, email and the message and the submit, and here we have a test.php file. Okay, save this. Let's go to the browser and run localhost slash php slash html5. It's in the php or not? html5 html5 sms. Rename this. So here we have a contact form. Let's add this contact form. So here I'm going to add Rajnikant. So here we have John Doe. We will type do an email test 90@millinator.com. Message hello world. Okay, please send me the details. Okay, submit this and the message sent successfully. Let's check the WhatsApp. Okay, so here I received the message. I will show you. Give me a second. Share via Drive. So it is saved on the drive. Let's have a look. So let's reload this. So this is a screenshot. So go retry. Just give me a second. Otherwise we can download it. Okay, download, and here we go with new contact from submission, name John Doe, email and the message, please send me the details. Okay, so this is the thing that we have sent, right? So this is how we can successfully send the WhatsApp message, whatever we have the contact form details, to the WhatsApp. Any doubt, any query in that, to let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.